Model, 66-plate Peugeot Partner L2 Diesel 750S 1.6 HDi 92 van body, white, panel van mileage, 152,000 MOT, 9 September 2023 engine, 1560 cc DV6 DTE DC transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo will need replacing, gearbox is fine, clutch is slipping also. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £4,295. Click the link.